How to restore Facebook Messenger messages without PIN in PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for facebook.com. Make sure you are signed in to your Facebook profile and now tap on the messenger icon on the top right of your screen you see there and you will then see the option for chat history is missing. However, you will not see the option for restoring your Facebook Messenger messages without PIN anywhere and you will have to enter your PIN code. So go ahead and enter your PIN code in order to restore Facebook Messenger messages. And just in case, if you do not remember your PIN, then you can tap on the use a one-time code instead option you see there and you will then receive a verification code in Messenger or Facebook on your mobile device. So go ahead and enter the one-time code sent to you in your mobile device. And with this, you will be able to restore your Facebook Messenger messages without PIN. However, if you don't have your device with you, then you can tap on the don't have your other device option you see there and then request the code in somewhere else, or you can also tap on the resend code button if you did not receive the code. Once you have entered the code, you will be able to successfully restore Facebook Messenger messages. You can then go ahead and change or create a new PIN just in case if you have forgotten your old PIN. So, this was about how you can restore Facebook Messenger messages without PIN in PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.